What's the deal, everyone? Welcome back to the office. I'm Jeremy Dio, and today we're jumping straight into the newest features and updates to the Fotello platform. Since these are kind of like the features y'all are constantly addressing down in my past videos comments. The first, and probably the most important, Photon 6.1. Now, this is an update to the system itself and the way it reproduces color, which should hopefully reduce the color discrepancies in your interior sets. According to internal data, it has less than a 1% revision rate, and now with the addition of the 3 color sliders on the editing page, temperature, tint, and saturation, it makes getting those colors directly on the platform even easier than before. The next new drop is Sky Styles, their upgrade to kind of the Sky Swap selection that now allows you to upload your own sky references in the images. You were all really tired of seeing that one single cloud in every shot, so was I. So now they have 7 options preloaded, and you can still choose your original sky as well. Right above that on the editing panel, you're going to see the new Remove tool. Super easy to use if you've used any Adobe platform before, with the directions clear as day on the screen right above the image. If you don't like what it did, well, there's also the ability to revert any changes that were made. They also have 2 other updates that dropped right before this one, the Twilight conversions and the virtual staging, but those are both getting their own deep dive video. As always, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, make sure to comment down below because I know they're reading all of your comments. Check down also in the descriptions for links to the gear and software I use to run my real estate media company, including a link to Fotello that will give you the biggest sign-up discount they are currently offering. I'm Jeremy Dio with Pitch Your Property, and I will catch you next time. Yeah, I'll catch you next time. Probably with Twilight, virtual staging stuff. Let's do it.